Hi, I'm Mia, and I've been doing gymnastics and acro for years, and I want to show you some of my favorite fold-out gymnastic mats from Canada Mats. As you can see, each of these mats is made with a different kind of foam, so depending on the kind of training you're doing, you use them in different ways. What I love most is how they're made to support your movement and prevent injuries, which is crucial when you're training hard day after day. Let's start with the Crosslink Foam mat. This one is super firm, which is exactly what I need when working on balance heavy skills, like handstands, jumps, or turns. Because the surface is stable and your feet don't sink in, it reduces the risk of twisting an ankle or losing your footing. It gives me total control and helps prevent small mistakes that can lead to injury. Next up is the Polyurethane Foam mat. This one has a softer, more cushioned feel. It's still dense, but it really shines when it comes to absorbing shock from basic tumbling or even conditioning workouts. It takes the pressure off your joints, especially your knees and wrists, and help prevent those overuse injuries that can sneak up when you're doing lots of reps. Now the Rebond Foam mat. This one is a lifesaver for big skills. It's made from bonded recycled material and is amazing at absorbing heavy impact. When I'm working on flips, aerials, or any skill with a high landing force, this mat really protects my body. It cushions those harder landings, which helps reduce strain on your spine, hips, and ankles. It's also super durable, which is perfect for repeated practice. And finally, the Dual Foam Core System mat. This one combines a firm cross-link top with a shock-absorbing Rebond Foam bottom, so you get the best of both, stability and protection. It's perfect for routines where I'm switching between explosive movements and soft transitions. It keeps me grounded while also absorbing the shock, which lowers the chance of joint fatigue or injury from repetitive impact. All of these mats are foldable, portable, and built to last, but most importantly, they're built with safety in mind. I've used a lot of these mats over the years, and I can honestly say that Canada Mats makes the best for both performance and protection. Whether you're just starting out or training at a competitive level, having the right mat can make all the difference in preventing injuries and feeling confident in your skills. I'm Mia, and these are the mats I trust to train safely, confidently, and with zero limits.